morning, Pankaj. Very welcome to the Walk in the Talk show. So, let's talk about a debating topic that's going on in the world. That is remote work making people more isolated or productive? So, what's are your views on that?
So today I am going to discuss about topic remote work. So all of us have experienced this topic. This in during after the pandemic, remote work is lifestyle of every person, and somewhere every somehow every person feels this remote work. And after during pandemic, every like company shift their normal work to remote work, and everyone faces this.
So, how do you think remote work increases productivity?
So remote work have some advantages also, like it gives you flexibility. So working hours, people can shift their working during flexible. They can work day, they can work morning, and they can work night also. And second one is it maintains work-life balance also. People can spend their their time with family, their children and parents also. And third one is work. It saves commute time. Like many people can travel 1 to 3 hours a day, and it wastes their time. So it can help in gives more productivity to their company.
Yeah, so like how does that then create isolation if it is making it productive?
So like advantages remote work have, disadvantage is also. First one is any person that feels social interaction and want to stay between peoples and work between peoples. So during remote work, they are not able to join people physically. And second one is it it maintains work life balance, but somehow it distracts the work life balance also. Like people end up with long working hours and stressful fully day, and their schedule also not able to maintain their schedule also. And some people like chit chat in office also, companies so they are not able to chit chats, and not able to share their lunch in office also. And they third one is remote work can. So third one is during remote work, people are not able to bond, like they are not able to leadership. They are not able to properly lead because during online bonds are weaker than
Yeah.
physical.
Okay. So how does like people can have a balance between both so they are also productive and not having isolation?
So it depends on a people and person to person. A disciplined person with good tools can easily maintain their life during remote work and give their best and productive work to their office. But if any person feels want to work in between colleagues and social interaction, they are not able to work between people. So let's conclude. If company nowadays companies accepted hybrid models, like they can work on remote also, and they can go to office during weekdays. So it depends on a company and person how they accept their remote work and social interaction.
Thank you, Pankaj. It was a great insight about on the topic. Thank you so much.